In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change particle colors in Blender. This is a simple scene composed of a plane and a cube. The subdivided plane is a particle emitter, and the cube is a particle mesh. The gradient material was added to the particle mesh. Here is the particle setting. Here are the full nodes. However, this set of nodes will only work in cycles, because the particle info node doesn't work in Eevee. We can modify this math node's value to control the gradient like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.